Hello, my name is Prafull, currently pursuing BTech in e-commerce technology from VIT Bhopal University. In this session, we learn how to implement the audio and text effects to develop the 3D scene enabled in mobile with less interaction. I'll tell you the steps and we'll demonstrate this. For that, of course, you first need to install the Unity Hub and then create a new project. We have already seen this, like how to create this forest in the last video, or we can say experiment number 2. Uh, s- so in this step, in now we'll see how to implement the audio and text effects. For that, first go to the file header and select build settings from here and choose the mobile or Android or iOS as your platform. For that, of course, you need to download it. Now, second step comes is to create a 3D scene. So, create a 3D scene as I have created here. You can also choose a simple object, like go to the hierarchy panel and go to the 3D object, and you can select any one of these from here. We will need Text Mesh Pro for adding text. We'll see that in the later part of the video. So you can make a 3D scene like this. And now the or we can say the third step come as the as to implement the audio effects. For that, you need to go in the assets part of the Unity Hub, where you need to import the import asset store. Like here you need to import some mp3 file, or you can also use .wav file by dragging it into assets folder. Go to the online store and you will see how to do it. I've already did it. So, and the next part comes is to add sound effects. For that, we have already imported, so we can also write a C sharp file for that, but as we are doing just basic, we don't need it as such now. So let's move to the scene again, and after adding the you can see I can add some thunder sound here in the forest, or some any sort of sound I can add. So to implement the text effects, we have to go to the, as I've said before, we'll see that Text Mesh Pro in the later part of the video. For that, we have to go to the wait a second. Uh, we have to go to the hierarchy panel, and audio source, we can add audio from here also, audio source and audio reverb zone, which we have imported. And to add Text Mesh Pro, we have to go to 3D object and go to Text Mesh Pro. Here it comes. So we can also drag it like this, as it is also considered as a 3D object. So what I can write here is, we can edit this text from here. Wait a sec, I will tell you sample text. What if we write Prafull's Forest? Or I can write my registration number for sure. 22BEY10053. We can also increase its spacing from here like this. this is there. Okay, we can delete this audio source for now. Where it is. Delete, delete. So this is it. We can see like this. Okay, so that's all for the video. I guess you got the idea of how to add an audio to the our project, and to add text effects, 3D text effects if I want to be precise. So that was it. Thank you. We'll see in next video.